Hey everybody, so I'm going to show y'all a quick thing how to do a section perspective in Revit. So let's say this is your model right here. What we're going to do is pick the middle floor so that when we do the section perspective, we cut at an eye level that is in the middle of your model. So I'm going to go to the second floor plan. So here's the model in floor plan mode. I'm going to go up here to the 3D icon, right click, go to camera. I'm going to place my camera outside of my model. You can do it the north, south, east, west direction, whatever works for your design. You're going to click and then point towards the direction of the view and try to align it as closely as possible. Do a second click. And then there's your view. This is your 3D view that will create your section perspective. Now, as you can tell, this is not a section yet. This is just an elevation perspective. So in order to get that section, we're going to go over here to the properties panel. We're going to click on section box. We're going to go back to second floor plan. We're going to click on our view and do a right click and hit show section box. So right here there's this box that is our cut plane. We're going to drag it over inside our massing, inside our model, in order to create that section. So we're going to go back to our 3D view, and there it is. There's our model with the section cut. Now if you want to edit some things about the poche or the line work, you go to your visibility graphics or type in VG, and then this panel pops up. Over here you go to your walls. There's your walls. Here's our cut. You can click on this box called patterns, override, and then you could create a solid fill, and then the color you can override, and then you can choose whatever color that you like. Hit OK, hit OK, hit OK. As you can see here, it turned the poche to that gray. And this is how you do your section perspective. So your view, you can then drag it onto your sheet, or just go ahead and print from this active viewport. That's it.